Okay guys, so we got this Jeep Grand Cherokee here. I think it's an '07, and it has all the lights on the dash. So when we start this up, you'll see what happens right here. So after the check, this is what's on. Brake light flashes. All this stuff's on. I scanned it. We'll do a fault scan real quick again. But we get all these codes. I want to see what's active, so I'll let this scan. We'll come back to it, and you'll see all the codes that we got. Guys, so all these codes are saying stored right now, so I'm going to clear all these except for the audio speaker and tire pressure, and I'm just going to see what comes back real quick. Oh guys, look at that. It says anti-lock brakes, no response while I'm clearing these. That's interesting. So when I go under ABS module now, it says no com, and if we look at our electronic steering lock, I think, where's our electronic steering lock? Right here. Lost communication. Electronic servers. Lost communication. There we go. Okay guys, so here's a wiring diagram. So we got fuse 4, 21, 27. Well, I don't know if 27 really matters. That goes to our brake light switch. We got this 25 here, so I'm going to check those, and then we got a ground right here. So if they are good, then we have a bad module, which our module doesn't look too bad, but I guess we'll find out. We'll test there too. So when I come to this brake light fuse right here, we have no power on this one side. We have power on one side, but not the other one. Look at that. Nothing. And I didn't check fuse 25 yet. Fuse 25 doesn't look like it has a 25. Wait, oh, that's on the left side of the dash. So I can get that fuse out, we're going to check. Okay guys, so here's our fuse. So this side, let's see, gets power. And this other side, we don't get power. There's something wrong inside this fuse. I don't see anything physically wrong, but it must be burned up somewhere inside. Can't really tell from the outside. So I'll put a new fuse in. We'll see if we get our communication back. A new fuse in there. Nice, the test light on both sides. Okay, so our ABS module look like it's still a no com, I'm assuming. Yep. So we gotta test some more stuff with it. Okay guys, so pin 1 is our power feed, 30 amp. Pin 16 is our ground. So 1's right here, 16 is here. I'm gonna light up a 10 amp headlight bulb. Look at that. So our power and ground is good there. And then 47 is also a ground. So 47 is all the way over here at the rear. Let's see if this works. Let's see. Hang on. Let's test this other ground. We're in the back there. Look at that. So that one lights. So now we gotta check our other power feed, which is 32, which should be this one right here. Other main power feed. Let's check this one. Oh, 32 does not have power. 32 comes from fuse 21. It's a 30 amp and we don't have power. I think I found our issue, so I flipped the fuse box up. Look at that wire right there damaged. Look at that. Look at that right there. See it? So I'm going to cut this tape back and we'll try to fix it. But I bet you that's our issue right there. That wire that's all green. Probably can't carry any current. Guys, look at this. I pulled on the wire and it just broke. Just completely broke. It's all green inside. So I'm going to have to cut this back pretty far probably to get this. Hopefully there's enough room in here. Okay guys, I got it soldered. I'm going to heat shrink it. And we should be good. Oh, I guess I gotta get that little bit of solder that's hanging off there. And we should be good to go. Guys, watch this. We connect this up. Test light lights. So we'll disconnect the test light. And I'll get that soldered up. Okay, we got it soldered. See it's soldered right there. Slide our heat shrink down over top of it, and I think we should be good to go here. Hopefully this holds up. I didn't have any more heat shrink butt connectors. I was soldering them, so we had to go old school. So there we go, it's all fixed. Get this snapped together and then we'll see if it fixed it. Okay guys, got that all taped up. Hopefully you guys can see all the tape. Put Tesla tape on it. Got that all put together there. Fuse covers on. It's all clipped down in. Everything's back on. Let's see if we got our communication back. Hey!
I'm back.
I fixed this, I think.
You fixed it?
Yep.
What do? You fix stuff, right?
There was a pinhole in the wire and it got all corroded. You might have a wheel speed sensor issue though, because it does say there's a stored code for the front, left front.